Welcome to the most upscale neighborhood in Tehran, where the living expenses are covered in dollars and are significantly higher compared to Europe. The trend is here more the European fashion style. Here the residents enjoy luxurious lifestyle, in luxurious mansions with ample space and drive in luxurious vehicles. And, naturally, extravagant hobbies and amusements. This is a popular art gallery. But you can also enjoy having a coffee with your friends. You pay here double more than any other places. This is the reason why a specific group of individuals visit this location. Some of these artworks look really creepy. This neighborhood is a sought-after neighborhood where affluent families, diplomats, expats, and celebrities reside. Additionally, the area is home to foreign embassies that feature clubhouses and beautiful gardens. When it comes to costly houses, the properties here start at $8,000 per square meter. Additionally, there are hardly any small houses in this area. This leads to the separation of communities based on their wealth. I'm sure this is a fact, and not only in Iran. Please subscribe and watch the next video.